Hi friends, welcome back to another video on CV Prep. It's been a long time after I'm recording this video, and I thought like this was important to record, looking into the gloominess around the job market and the recent layoffs in the tech industry. My personal view is it is not going to last for long because I don't see this as a recession. Mostly the product companies or like these big tech companies were looking for an opportunity to lay off and do these massive layoff because their products were not doing good. Take an example for Amazon Alexa, right? It was not, I mean, being in India, I can say people are not using that product, right? So sooner or later, that layoff was supposed to happen, but it is just like they found this as a right opportunity to lay off a massive number of people. And same goes for other Facebook. I can see like the interest of using Facebook is coming down, right? And then that's the case for every other big tech organization that's doing the layoff currently. So, what I will say is like just be strong, be motivated, and keep yourself upskilled. That's the need of the hour. And especially like if you are someone who is into the startup space, then it's a difficult time because if those startups are not at a profitable position, right, they are pulling out the money from there, and hence the job losses. So that is a difficult space to win. Why I'm saying that it is not going to last very long, because generally when the recession is there, you'll see a lot of mass layoff happening in the finance industry, which has yet not started. And this is just like a phase which will soon go away, right? So keep yourself motivated and keep yourself skilled. Now, till then, if you are looking for an opportunity or you're looking for job search, just give me a second. There is some background noise. Okay. So, if you're looking to find a job, right, and if you have been applying for jobs into those job portals, and if you're not getting those opportunity, I'll share something very important today on how you should be able to secure your job. I have followed this particular method in like last couple of weeks, and what I have seen, I have like got calls from almost 15 to 20 recruiters. I've secured interviews from like almost 8 to 10 recruiters out of that. So you can follow this approach, and I hope this helps you. So let's go back to the screen and see how this to be done. Welcome back to my screen. So before I show you the method, right, that we are going to use, let's make sure one thing very clear, that you have to constantly apply for the jobs onto the portals, right, that you have created, like Naukri, like Monster. So you have to keep your profile updated over there and keep applying to your relevant jobs. Now, even if it does not get you calls, right, what it shows to the recruiter is that you are open to jobs and you are applying for the jobs, right? So they will have their database updated, right, with the people who are currently looking for the jobs, and they will keep sending out emails, and then you can reach out to and some of these emails will also have their numbers attached, so you can like send them emails, you can contact them on their phone, right? And like that helps, right? That helps to build your connections with them, and then you can secure a job, or you can secure an interview first and then like secure a job after cracking the interview. But keep yourself skilled for that role. Okay, now coming to the one that I was going to share, and which definitely helped, is right, using the LinkedIn, right? So there are a few things that you need to do in LinkedIn. So first of all, if like make sure your profile is updated as in, right, like what do you do, and like what is the role. And then the most important thing, you just come to this particular profile picture. Sorry, I was like lost for words there. So you just come to the profile picture, and if you click on that, right, there is an option to say like add this frame. So just click on this frame and you see this option called open to work. So apply this frame. Now, I mean, this does not do a lot of things, but definitely if LinkedIn has added, they would have done this with some kind of thought, right? So if you add this, it will be visible to the recruiter at least that you're open to work. So this is one thing. Now the most important thing that you need to do, how you will have to find for the opportunity, right? Come to the search bar that you have at the top, right? Now before like if you have not set up your LinkedIn profile, please make sure you have done it. In today's time, it is the most important tool, right, or most important platform that you must be available, because this is the relevant times. You see how the interest in Facebook is dropping, but LinkedIn's interest is going up. So please make sure you have an account here. Okay, now coming back. So you just come to this, okay, please bear with me, there is a little background noise, so be focused here. Yeah. So just come to the search bar, right? And then just type for the role that you're looking for. So for example, let's say you are looking for a data engineering role or a SQL developer. Just a simple thing, you're looking for a SQL developer role. So you just come to the search bar, put in over here hiring for, right? This is the keyword hiring for, and then just put something like SQL developer, hit enter. You'll get a lot of result, right? From there, just select the posts. And now if you just scroll through this, right, you will see a lot of people, right, who are already hiring for SQL developer. Now, you also need to keep in mind, right, like when you search for a SQL developer, it will not be just SQL developer. It can be as like a diverse role as data engineer or data analyst, right? No, you need to have that like basic knowledge on how to bifurcate between them. So let's see if there is some opportunity over there, but this is the method how you will be using that. Now, one more filter that you need to do. So after post, right, you see there is this option called days posted. Now, if some opportunity has been posted a month back, it will make no sense for you to reach out to them, right? So what you can do, you can either filter out by past 24 hours or by past week. That will definitely help. Click on this and then show results, right? Now, if you come here, you see we got one which is hiring for data analyst. You can get to see all these things over here, and the best part, you get direct email to share it to them, right? Now, like read the job details and then you can send that email. Some of the time there will be no email, right? But you can actively try like drop in the comments that you are interested, and then they will be sharing you their email ID on which you can forward you the resume. Again, you see here, I'm actively looking for, okay, here he is looking for an opportunity. So this is not for us. So, okay, let's see if this is a job opportunity. Yeah, this is again a job opportunity. So this is from a consulting firm, right? Hiring freshers for D365 development with Java, with SQL, right? So this is again an opportunity. Again, here an opportunity where it says IBM bulk hiring for below positions, right? Here, okay, this is a good like a little bigger organization. So you can see here someone has mentioned from Coforge that they're looking for hiring senior developer, right? Again, they're hiring for data scientist role. So if you keep and these are very recent job. If you see here, this is like posted one day back, and then like again these are one day back, 23 hours, and like in Persistent System, which is a good organization, right? So you have to scroll through these LinkedIn, keep a database, right? Open up Google Sheets or Notepad and keep a track of all these opportunity that is coming along, and then starting your resumes, start sending out your resumes. And definitely if your profile is getting shortlisted, right, to get you shortlisted, again the prerequisites should make your profile very good. Make your CV like as best as you can, right? Take help of some professional CV writer if you need, right? And then send it again to these people, and definitely you will crack some interviews. So this was the method that I was like looking to share with you guys, and I found this method really helpful because personally I got like 8 to 10 calls from this method, and I hope like you get great results from this. Thank you for watching the complete video. Please share a like if you like this method, right? And do come back and let me know in the comment box, right? Like if you find this method helpful, and also come back and let me know once you have secured the job that you like with this method, you have got some interview calls and all those things. Thank you so much. We'll see you in another video. Till then, take care.